Hey, how's it going? So, hey, I want to do a quick video to talk about implementation. Implementation in the wrong order can definitely equal marketing disaster. So, how do I know this, and how did I come about this specific concept? So, essentially, you're looking at a roadmap, and in this specific roadmap, what it does is it helps me from a discipline standpoint to not necessarily go all over the board and follow a specific roadmap from a marketing standpoint. So when I first started marketing, one of the first things that I got very, very, very excited about, I got very excited about this thing here, Organic Playbook, in this specific instance, organic traffic. I bought a course on search engine optimization, and I just went all in. I went all in terms of trying to learn as much about search engine optimization as possible. I learned about search engine optimization. And then after I learned about search engine optimization, I started to teach search engine optimization. But then again, when I started to kind of just send the traffic to this area right here to my transformation, a lot of it was not converting. And I'm saying to myself, okay, why isn't this stuff converting? I had no idea as to why it wasn't converting. But guess what? I continue to kind of do some of the stuff up here. I was thinking to myself, okay, since this specific type of traffic did not convert, let me go look at a different type of media. Let me go look at a different type of traffic source. So I was doing all of these different things, but I wasn't following the right order. So what happens is that, today, if this is your first time, listening to one of my videos, my name is Vladimir Adonis, and today I've hosted probably about 45 local marketing presentations in my local area, whereby business owners come to my local marketing events to learn marketing. And essentially what I was doing is that I was teaching a lot of this stuff up here, and I was missing out on one of the key components. Not only was I missing out on one of the key components, I see the same thing over and over again when people come to my local marketing events, whereby, they want to work on something up here. And from a foundation standpoint, the foundational stuff has not been put into place. And, I can't necessarily blame them or anyone for that specific, issue, because I was doing the exact same thing. I was working on all of this stuff up here. And then from a conversion standpoint, my conversion stuff wasn't in place, and my audience was not in place either. So what you want to do, so the point of this video, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you start off with your audience. Start off with making sure that you clearly understand who it is that you're going to be selling to, what are their pain points, what are the issues that they're having, what are the products have they tried to purchase to solve the exact same issue, and what type of shortfalls did they have as a result of purchasing other products. What keeps them up at night? What are some of the things that are going to alleviate whatever pain that they have? What are some of the things that's going to make them saying, okay, this product or this service really resonates with me? What are some of the follow-up issues that your product creates? So a lot of times, and I'm going to use the MLM business for example. A lot of times, people join network marketing companies. They join network marketing companies, which is great. I'm in network marketing. Network marketing is great, but the issue that they normally have is that they don't necessarily know how to generate leads. So if your product creates some type of a follow-up problem, are you going to help them solve both the original problem that you're solving, which is, hey, I'm going to show you a way, I want to show you how to make money. But then again, showing them how to make money is one thing. How are they going to bring people to their presentation? That's a follow-up problem. That follow-up problem in that specific instance can be, can be traffic. So I take this thing everywhere I go, essentially. All of my consultations, all of my presentations that I do, everything that I do, I follow this specific this specific roadmap. What happens sometimes is that a lot of people want to just go up here, they want to go here, they want to go all of these different places. These different things are important, but you have to start off with making sure that you clearly understand your specific audience. Don't worry about traffic until you are very, very clear as to the individual that you're going to be serving, what are the pain points, and what problems you're going to be solved. So what problem you're going to be solving. One of the things that I'm doing right now is that my partner and I, we're hosting a free web class, and the web class is specific to MLM. So if you're in the MLM industry, we're hosting a free web class that's going to show you how to generate a lead and turn that lead into a customer. And yes, we're going to follow this thing in order. We're not going to skip this, because this specific roadmap here can solve any marketing problem, essentially. So that's one of the things that that we're working on. And you can go ahead and sign up for the free web class by clicking on the link. It's going to be a link somewhere on this page. You can go ahead and click on the link. The other thing that I'm doing is that if you're not in MLM and you don't have an MLM product, or you're not interested in MLM, if you want to work with me directly, you can work with me in two ways. In one of the capacities, you can say, hey, you know what, just do my marketing for me, whereby I go and I follow the specific roadmap and I do your marketing for you. And the other capacity is that I coach you through the process. When I'm coaching you through the process, I follow this exact same roadmap as well. There's going to be a separate link on the page that's going to allow you to go ahead and send me a message. When you send me that message, I'm going to go ahead and provide you with the details as to how you can go ahead and work with me in that specific capacity. Once again, everyone needs needs a roadmap per se. When you take your car in for a tune-up or for whatever issue your car is having, no one's guessing as to what the issue is with your car. They're taking your car through a specific process to try and make sure that from a foundation standpoint, the foundation is set up, and then they go ahead and they go through a series of checkpoints, so to speak. This is my roadmap. This is my marketing checkpoint to make sure that, when I create marketing, that everything is on point. When I work with people, that everything is on point, so that way we don't miss any critical steps. That's my time. Thanks for listening. Talk to you soon.